So the concept behind Cupboard Cocktails is that you can make a great drink without having to spend a lot of money. I'm here at Ollie and Heather's house in Cristo, Devon, England. They've been incredible hosts, and as my goodbye present, I'm going to make them a special cocktail. Ollie's been growing this massive lemon for 2 years.
You can mention I've been growing that lemon for 2 years.
How long have you been growing it?
2 years.
Really? So we're going to do this, and I've cut it into pieces. So we are going to make a drink.
Okay, most people don't have bees, but everyone's got honey in their cupboard.
The one thing that I did buy is Sexton's Citrus Gin. Made with lemon, orange, and pink grapefruit. We've got a shaker and some ice. It's at 50 milliliters of the lemon that Ollie's been growing for 2 years. In addition to growing lemons, Ollie and Heather make their own honey. All right. Heather mentioned that she really likes ginger. So I found this ginger with a hint of lemongrass cordial. You learn something new. Dash of cinnamon and shake. Ollie's wife Heather has her own granola business. Goodness gracious granola. So grab some of this, crushed it up. We are going to rim our martini glass. Homegrown honey, Heather's granola. Dude, you've got to try this. It's ridiculous. What do you think?
That's incredible.
Right?
That is an awesome cocktail.
Cupboard Cocktails. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make a great cocktail.